Zombie apocalypse.
I got boots on, I got my hat, jacket, food, other stuff in here. We're gonna go camping, kinda. Just a little hike, as you can say. See you. I'm wearing a blue jacket so I can be seen. Ethan, this is freaking Illinois. There's no snakes around here. This is the closest you're gonna get. This is a puddle of water. So we're gonna go.
You can go in it. Well, we can go on it.
No. We can go onto it. Oh man, I swear. I dropped my phone. Whoa. Balance.
This is huge, dude. The puddle of water. I think this might be like a little pond.
Ow. You fall in, you don't know how deep it is.
We can test it right now.
No, you do not.
Yeah, we can. Ready? Barely an inch.
Really?
Oh no. That mud. Yeah. With
It's
that
deep.
Mud, it gets stuck.
Okay, so we're gonna get to that. There we go. Yep. There we go. Get to that. Reach for the reach for that branch. There you go. Now put your foot right on that. There you go. Put your foot right there and you'll be safe.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. There you go. Come on. Okay, there's some more water. We're going through here.
That's why you need to clear you the fort.
Whoa! Almost fell. Almost falling. Almost falling. Okay.
Well, I can't step in that.
Yeah, sure you can. Maybe not. Step on the sticks. Yeah, step on the
I
sticks.
say we drag this stick all the way over here.
Okay. Here, Ethan, you record.
This thing is
You
oh!
Said you record. Here.
I can't. My shoes are soaked.
You record. Stand on the sticks. Okay.
Okay. This ain't doing crap. I'm under the stuff.
I'm not done.
Oh, yep, my shoes are already soaked, dude. My pants are wet. Or we just take this and go all the way around. Try to step on it right there. Jump on it. There we go.
You gotta point the camera at me, dude.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I don't know how long you were doing that.
I'm gonna try to step now. Alright, there's a stick.
Step on all the sticks.
Alright. Whoa!
Step on the sticks. See where you see this is nice and dry? That's where you step. Wait.
We'll just circle around.
Now we can go straight through.
Oh, and I get my shoes wet. Like they already are.
Could have went that way.
Oh, let's climb these
turn,
trees.
Turn back around.
Alright, oh.
We're going the other way. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. That's just like, yeah, that's really dead. Going this way. That means there's water nearby, guys. Water. If the log's like that, it means it's been soaked. Ethan, come this way. You're going to step in a pool of water soon. And I already see some forming over there. Going this way. Got some moss. Show you what this looks like. It's just dirt and then just green crap grown on it. That's a good insulator.
Well, then we'll get bedding.
We're gonna walk across this little contraption. Nice and dead.
hold me. Careful.
Oh, what?
It's in the backpack, and not in the backpack. Alright, I'm gonna hold on to it, okay? There you go.
Whoa. Jesus. Come on, you can balance. Just walk right through it. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you. Turn around. Dude, look at it. You just gotta balance. You don't want to step. Yeah, you step in that, you slip. Oh, God. Okay. Good job.
We make our own path.
Yes.
I thought I was move ahead.
You gotta walk where I'm walking. That's cool. Watch out, this is gonna fling. So watch out. So watch out, that's gonna fling.
Ow! Frick! Oh God, that's a thorn bush. Whoa!
Hey, baby. Arms up. Walk right through. Arms up, you dummy.
Yeah.
Oh. Ow. Ow, you see that, guys?
What?
Ow, it's on my skin, guys. See that? Ow.
Oh, you want to take it out?
Take that out, please. Thank you.
Oh, you have thick skin.
Okay, I know. I'm just gonna see if I can walk through this.
Is it safe? Alright, I found my ride.
Super muddy. Hold on, found a stick.
No,
Walk on that. Huh?
I go like that.
Just walk on this, dude.
Is it safe?
Yes. Just walk on it. If you miss, just get right back on it. It's not deadly. Jesus.
Yeah, it's like walking to Vietnam. Trying not to make
Vietnam, dude. Vietnam was like so last year. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
I think I found a good space over there, guys.
Why don't you film me like?
Nah,
No,
not right
you
now.
can't film me.
Over here, Ethan.
I'm going outside. Clearing.
A lot of clearing. Ooh, muddy. Muddy over here, so we're gonna go this way.
You just broke that. Ow!
Man, he does not know what it feels. Okay, I think I see some water. We're like 10 minutes maybe in, walking. Maybe not a lot of it's on camera, but I'll catch you back when something happens. That was not a canal, but you know, it's not Florida, so it's just a little tiny ravine. It's not that big, see? Not that big. So we're going that way a little bit more and trying to find an open bush. Just walk through.
I know, I gotta take it on leg.
Just walk through.
I know.
Just walk.
Oh, no,
Now it's stuck on. Yeah, it's off. You're good. You feel something tug, you tug back. Oh, got time to shoot. Can you hold this?
Yeah. It's so beautiful out here.
Yeah, don't show too much.
I know. Ooh, I'm just gonna swim in the sky. You really need your GoPro in your headset. A bush, nature's natural toilet. We should mark our territory.
Okay, let's go forward.
I know, I'll mark my territory real quick.
Okay. Ooh, muddy. Can't really find an open spot. There's a couple open spots over there. I haven't found the perfect spot just yet. Like, it's not that big. It's probably only like an acre, maybe 2. Not that big. Okay, then now you're gonna play the catch-up game. I'm tired of poking around. How far is he? See that, guys? I just got my finger stuck on a thorn. Ow. That was awesome. Miss that feeling.
Yeah, if it was a thorn bush, it'd stay green.
Okay. Thumbs up. Oh, we'll go through here. He's still over there. That's what I said. That's a thorn bush over there. Oh, I just stepped over a thorn bush. Oh, something just scraped me with a thorn. A lot of thorn bushes in freaking Illinois, guys. Over there, I think it's an open area. I think right here.
Clearing.
We're gonna clear this. Yeah, this is good. We found our place. Okay, guys. Catch you back. Did loop here. Came back after like an hour. You look behind us. These weigh like about 200 pounds. We broke a lot, as you can see. And then we also got, let me get a good shot of this. Good area opened. Put back there. And I'm gonna try to find somewhere up in the tree to hang my stuff. So yeah. Okay. I'm probably gonna put on some time lapse. Now, I'm gonna scratch that. Just going to eat. I'm just gonna record us eating. Yeah. Shots are kind of big, so you can see us right now.
We found the skull, coyote skull.
We found a coyote skull. Okay, I'm at 15%. Ethan, stand so fully straight up.
Right.
Cool. Go to this way where I'm pointing. Keep on going. Keep on going. Stop right there. Perfect. Mark your feet. Mark where you were. Okay. Now go the other way. Keep on going. A lot more. Like a lot more. A lot more. Right about there. Mark it.
Right. Now this is what.
That's the camera shot.
What we should.
Where's that marker at?
What should we name him? Right there.
That's the marker?
No.
Right there? Where's the marker at?
Right.
It's blending in. Okay, we'll just say right here. So you can see her head barely. It's like a little bit like this. So this is our camp. We're gonna eat. What do we got to eat, guys? I am hungry.
This is Mr. This is Jerry.
We got some water.
That's Jerry. Jerry.
Nice and cold. Got some goods.
Jerry, no.
You might make a little eating placement.
What?
So, I hope you can hear me. I don't think it's that loud. All I can hear is some cars beeping, if you can hear it. But we're not that much into the wild yet. Plus, it's only a couple acres, like I said.
Really?
I can't see it. I can't get this bag. I don't know how I tied this. That was in the face. So, we got some canned goods. So, we're gonna take this. We got one open one. What's this? Some pears. And fruit cocktail, which has the open tab. Ethan, you want fruit cocktail or peaches or pears?
I don't want the tab.
Tab. No. Okay. I'll take this.
Oh.
Juice.
Right.
Yummy. Oh God, I just spilled it. Whoops. Knives. Oh, a little too big. Oh, God.
If you can't find any food out here, always resort to cannibalism.
Yeah.
I was kidding.
Cannibalism is always a good answer. I'm just gonna use a spoon. This way. Dang, this is harder than it looks online. Ugh. Ugh. There we go. Just let me eat some. But yeah. It works.
And also, as the summer grows, of course, there's going to be a lot more green. It's going to be a lot more drier, and you'll barely hear any of this because there's going to be a lot more green, and then, you know.
Yeah. We're not going to be out here as much, only in the winter.
We'll come out here when it snows. We'll come out here when it snows, though. So.
Well, I found the easier way. I work in sections.
You can start from the neck. Wait. What was Crazy Russian Hackers?
Dude, he's like strong to do this. Like, you don't know how understand how hard this is. Like, you don't understand, dude. Like, I have
Couldn't you open that up? Could you open that up like against like concrete or something?
Yes. We don't have concrete around in the woods, so. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, whatever. You know what? Use our fingers. That's good.
Jerry, you better stay. What are these for?
Your mom. But yeah, tabs, so it's easy for him. There's a spoon in there.
A tab right there. To market, that's what's fine.
No, there's a spoon.
Around.
It's a hard way. So you guys good. So you guys know, there's a tab on this one too. I just want to open the hard way. That's hard. It's almost dark.
Yeah, I can go show them something real quick.
No. Can't really see it.
Hey, if we come back out here tomorrow on the weekend, we should get some of this from. Probably put some animal tracks if it doesn't rain.
I'm keeping this cam. No, don't.
No, it's okay.
No!
What?
Stop wasting your food and eat it.
Oh,
Because it burns really fast when you're working, man. Now pick up that and eat it.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Do it.
I don't even know where it is, man.
It's right there. You're just stuck on it. You made it even worse.
Seeds.
Now eat it.
It's seeds. I already lost it.
Okay. Just kidding. I'm keeping this. Put your can by that tree. Because in the summer or something, we're going to have a fire up in here. We're going to boil some water with the lake nearby. See how all that works out.
That's good.
Oh,
Stop.
puked.
You're not finish it. Let me finish it.
There you go.
Let me see how much you got done. Good. Got like 75% done.
Can I hold the camera? Selfie stick? Right.
Ooh, this is really alcohol-y. You can bend it. Yeah, there you go. See why you don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should have ate the pears. I should have brought 2 pears. No more fruit cocktail. Ugh. Like, sure, the schools is better, dude.
Yeah, dude, they actually have like good ones.
Never do this. Did I get over camera? No, I did not.
So,
We're gonna use that.
what
later.
we're not professionals, but we dressed appropriately. Don't come out here in the middle of winter.
I did not really address properly because you guys know how I am. I just really crap.
Yeah, so don't come out here t-shirts and shorts in the middle of winter, even when it's warm,
Okay.
just to show off, hey, I'm gonna do what Luke did in YouTube. Don't do that. You're gonna get hypothermia if it's really cold here. Like, it's getting colder by the minute. We gotta wash up, address our wounds.
Dress our wounds.
Address our wounds.
Like this one? Not really. It's fake.
And actually, I can very faintly see my
I can't even put this in my pocket.
I can very faintly see my breath right now. So it is.
You got none. You can't do it. Yeah, dude. Sup, dude. Now we're gonna get a really hot shot. This is my head level. See? Now let's just go up, 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 and all the way up. Let's just check this view out, guys. Yeah, sure, you can probably see the cars. Oh, there's the branch. But yeah. Stop it. Bird's nest. Or hawk's nest. But yeah, this is the forest, guys.
We're gonna prove that Sasquatch is real. We're gonna do a hurring noise, right? Hurring, like, and then we're gonna see if we hear one back.
Hey, we got a car horn, guys. Maybe he will answer to the word penis.
Penis!
Okay, that's enough.
Alright, now we do bloody murder scream. 3, 2, 1.
You're so dumb. Okay, I'll give you basically a layout. Okay, so
Yes.
this is
You better cut that.
where the whole line is, okay? Let's say there's all woods here. And then right here's the road. And then right there is the cornfield, okay? So that's that. Right? So the road, cornfield. We're right there. Okay? We came in through right there. We didn't really explore all this yet, but we explored this where you saw all the water, and then we came over, and then we came through here, and that's how we got through here. So that's the layout. So yeah, Hope you liked this video. And if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe.
Oh God.
Comment below.
Hey,
What are you doing?
how did I break this tree off? That's what I'm doing.
Look at what he's doing.
Yeah.
Ethan, you suck. Okay.
Whoa.
That's it for this video. I don't know if you guys liked it. Yeah.
Like,
Just-
if we get 20 likes, I will fall off the tree.
Make sure to hit that like button. See you later.